These are in order for today. My eye is still a little sore, so we're gonna have to do the sunglasses today. Is it possible to have a routine when you live in a van? I've been telling myself for years that it's really hard to do something like that because I travel quite a bit or I'm not in the same area all the time. Hence, it's kind of tough to do it. Is it though? It's the beginning of 2025. Happy New Year. Every year, like most people, I try to do things better, try to better myself, try to have better habits and also better routines. Then, like a lot of people, I fall short within 2 weeks. And I always told myself it's because of this lifestyle. Let's get into it. Welcome to my clean van. For the video, if some of you are new here, my name is Stefan and I've been living in this van for about 4 years full time. For me, it's been a fantastic life change. I built it myself, but that's not what we're here for. We're here to see if we can do routines in a van. Here are some routines that I'm going to try to implement in my life as a lifestyle change, not just for a short period of time, but just for the long term. One, I bought some running shoes. Hey you two, we're gonna be running a lot. Yep, don't you worry, I'm gonna get you down and dirty. Okay, I went too far. Yeah, movement, it's actually something that I've started doing a little while ago, and it started with hiking. And I'm always gonna do hiking, but sometimes it's a little tough when it rains because they're closed. Not to say that I'm gonna go run on the asphalt in the rain either. I do have a year-round gym membership, mostly for the showers, but that's not relevant right now. That's kind of my plan B. Now, this is one of the routines that I can definitely do. It's just a matter of me just getting up in the morning, throwing on the running shoes and with, workout clothes and stuff. Is it always gonna be easy? Definitely not. I'm not a runner. I hate running, to be honest with you. I don't know how people love running, but I don't. But I know that I need movement. I know that I need some sort of exercise. On top of including a few hikes that I can actually go and explore, which is actually something that I do love to do. Hate running, love hiking. One routine that I've had for many, many years and I plan on keeping forever because it's my favorite routine in the world, that's right, is a little cup of joe, a little cup of coffee. Now, making coffee for me in the morning, it's not just a routine, it's a tradition. Nay, it's a ritual. The smells, grinding the coffee, the sounds, it gives me that peace of mind in the morning that I need, the little alone time with my little ritual to make coffee. If you've been on the channel for a very long time, you know I love it. And I continue to do it until they tell me I can't, and I'll still do it. Next routine. I've been trying to eat healthy for a very long time, but like everybody else, I once in a while fall off a bit. I'll have some cheese and wine, and then I'll have some more cheese and wine. And once in a while, I'll go eat out and have some French fries and stuff. The goal for me is to try to have pre-cooked food for the week, a few things that are different so I don't get bored of it. Since I have a microwave, I can heat it up really quickly if I need something warm. Having pre-made meals makes a huge difference for me. As many of you may know, I am vegetarian, so that's another step for me to make sure that I get the nutrition that I need, the vitamins that I need, the protein that I need, and I know what's in it, without all the added salts and sugars that I would get if I were to eat out. With that being said though, I'm not going to stop cooking on the channel. Inside info is that I actually use a lot of those days to prep other stuff for the week. I don't film every day, so I film once a week, hopefully maybe twice a week this year. Oops, I just spilled the beans on that one. Another routine that maybe I overlook too much is to take a little bit of time to just slow down, relax, take a breather. I'm usually always on the go, brainstorming ideas for the videos, trying to film, editing forever. I have so much editing. I dream editing, and it's not a good dreams. No, sometimes it is. The point is that I'm always on the go. I'm always doing something. I'm always driving somewhere, which I love to do, but I forget to slow myself down and relax and breathe and understand that I have time. I should probably practice what I preach from my video on the art of slowing down. You can check that one up here if you like. Last routine, but not least, is probably the most important, something that I tend to neglect quite a bit, and that is very much needed. It's a necessity. We all do it, and that is to try to get much more sleep, get much more rest. I've been buying some tea to help me sleep better. And I gotta say, it's been working. I sleep really well. I wake up a lot better, a lot more rested. And I think that's the most important thing that I can do to be able to follow all of the other routines that I just talked about. Don't forget to comment, like, hit the bell, subscribe, it's free. Do all the things that you like to do down there. And I will see you guys in the next one very, very soon. Peace.